Abusuapani no wase na mensa mo akwa biem emra GH report so na this LUMBA issue no abusua sesei ano ya din a me no kasa yi demonstration chencheche pa ba bekoso UK Ghana for ehye mo de ni nyina team legal wives na ene enkomo na me no mienu ye ba betie no OKUDZETO ABLAKWA Ghana foreign minister ni din ewom Nana Akosua ni din ewom His Excellency John Dramani Mahama de yedika kanase mebri e de akyeremu now ye Maame Akosua Serwaa ne ma no wo mo nso ensem ewom na me se with this no enema mebri e na e ba bekoso lawyer kusi e file enema bi e wo court document bi Maame kan sa e wo court ama per report ane ye gada no e che se the video evidence na court na ehwe no omonsanka ema otwe kata bi edito so allegedly yese enema timi go through ama appeal no ni nyina ometimi awramu na omo ashu sa nema no na obebisa se iti issue na ekoso nyina no sabe ye Maame Akosua Serwaa wo ye bisa anase enema hodo a wo ye nyina se omoko appeal team legal wives kase lawyer kase ni nyina no obi be kase ye no oye bisa anase onimdia oye abusua yesi Maame no watutu na namo de asie ansa na oba Ghana hanom ense mebre na ekoso behind the scenes ti uye team legal wife be happy esanse ensem a ekoso behind the scenes no wote a wo say yes Maame no strategic plan na odi be wura mu Ghana hanom ebi mo so che say dey ntina Maame no wontwa bibia so no nko Benin ema eno so ka odwene ho say yenko cheke sa enkomo ya obeti wa on his show enne etim etodwa ema gurus ahodo pa ebekire o madwene efa appeal no ene ensem asisi etodwa yenko nenko timra
my dear, there are certain things you were him, but trust me Maame no wa juma back door pa
Maame no ofre mi kunu so ni mi kunu na ekọ
something wa me show details bi wo ha men
Debi enya say o me kan keke so mudi nkomo omuko wure mu nyina akoye na asefo nyina wakai ose omuko fa ose dey omuko ya omuko no moton ahwede eno ka se me de ba ya na me de aso kodwede obebre sa na waton ne de ya na maji kodwede ni na maton hwedasi yesi na wakai ni now
look at that and you don't want to hope to name of France
and I'm going to say what kai was na men kai and I'm say hey what kai to be say no questions bia no say ekuma wo de nya abotira why mo de mo mpaye mame
no mama me na ye no
oh
and no mama me na ye this time around she ain't joking
but this is the woman who look she gave up her freedom and everything for her children and the same way no her children, even if it is true that the children are against it, but I keep saying that I have a bit of, difficulty accepting that.
Now, when you say operaga growth on after a year, no crown, no money, a brave free nature, and I would
a lot. Now, firemen, I'm all for fire,
now, firemen, but the almost on Zaka.
A bit almost there, no more on Zaka.
Say a year, no. What
okay, in that sense they're fine.
Whatever it is that is they wanted with that corpse, it's up to them. My point is this: I pray to God, say cremation in memo, because we will bring out the people who can actually do forensics on cremation. What you say? The more cremated crowd, unless the
yankaso he se almost say Ghana mra ebeye adwuma aye na asefo a yeso ye wo mra bi a e ma papa bi wuye ade ebe chia ma na yere nso anko ade eche ne ate se abusuapani line na omunyi na ehu me abepa na chew
ayo
se mra bi nso wo ho na say brofo kra believe in nature
Munim say Kwesi Broni omo to no pa Archbishop of Canterbury e wo kromu ha first na o kasa asem na nyi huni but omo wo I say tradition bi omo ye Answer na Archbishop no beba bejina sorry them no I swear no, and you know the Archbishop is like the Pope of the Anglican Church. What you say? Omo de ne ekọ baby wo Wales. I say busumbi. Grades and the war. You never see the people who almost officiating war. Almost said grades. Almost cut out what it say. Who home I say my outfit from head to toe. And I best swear to those three. I said gargoyles. Now ya you want to see what you declare now you say stone no more you. This and Sancio now every Saturday no almost summer na and no one also did drive for 3 days to say. Answer na waba sorry them waba be Archbishop. Which I say then I also followed. Time now mo si papa ne hene no. Eye Prince Charles no. Eye no King Charles no. One who said do point me omo train screen no. E ma ne ko shame. Me dwedwe mo fra na mo say hwe ye ndie ye obia o. Queen ne cry de ye no. Sa particular oil no omo de no ene nsuo no omo all the way to Israel to go and get it. And omo de ye on bibi on their skin. Boho. And they are standing in church and doing this. So Westminster be no more yes I no. On a no. Baby, I met here crassy walking. Maybe me free London at check. There be a two where it's me dim attempts and I make a chance that you are my brows can what order. Doctor was a man yet with that time but London. I'm sitting next with the men's number cross in my bread. You did it. Half of the people here, Omoya Bay for, and they'll tell you straight.
Yes.
Obeka say, me say me yare na ye dem be a few years ago no. Care workers na ba na bia na me bo me gospel wa. O to make me point blank say do I mind say me no because I great against it. Na so unto me. O say I'm a high wage. Obeka straight. O didi. E dem bia me koppe me na dani ya me fe me koto ye ne ade. Me shano me want a neighbor ne catch him say, oh thank God we have somebody saying here. I'm say why? I say me home me garden no. En fin ho no. Me so me say yi flower pot dey ben. O say maame ne be yi no ho na omo betwa. Coven of witches. Omo ba be yi omo meet e wo ho no. Those is that we have property. And tell me that be this and that dey 2 years be been too free. So a tradition. Yen de no. Boko ya ye say be yi. Enye ma Akosua sem yanka. Duabone ade na mente ase o. Men kwa because me nim said ye no. And I mean, so say, I didn't even know. I learned through this case. Say, they are born a bonus 1 year, a bit affected. What's ye until ya nan so and comfort because now they are born a general, none and now sit and not say, right now you have people in Ghana, a lot of them on TikTok saying, hey, well, be a more be to be after this case. Obi ya wadi at 2 money, I'm saying, so people are now going to go and join without even knowing the repercussions of it or understanding.
But say duabo pa seni omusika say ye adwuma no. It is how prega de I'm sorry for her. In duabro ankofo abro akwala no. Emu oya.
That's how I'm nam hokwa. Me catch it say that Lumba or say daddy Lumba for that matter. Not the biano patchel. He was calling on us to help him. Girl, ne maame no said and niazi arete dry sano. Wanante abre. Omo born hey na where there's anga Christmas came you. Omo share no. Girl no kwa buy say na me ko ye adwuma wo daddy Lumba fie o. And almost man say jai school no kwa na ko som no. Yeah, non-pel because what look at this girl's body. Look at the way she looks. How could he have been attracted to her? A man with bad habits near there, but seriously, when we are there, ebi wom. Nsemuno wada.
Nsemuno
Oko.
Okwade dada. Samson wa wada.
Samson wa but nsemuno na maybe sa na
nsemuno afem wada ko yi video no.
Ya on ted wo.
On Teddy ni ha.
Oh, Maame only hanka because in Nabu learn Italian for no. Oh. It's scary. It's scary. Mumpa say you better be to say yeah fan easy. It's not going to be easy. They will try to tamper with the law. Some say, well, what is your opinion? Where is going? Is it just political? Again, no more.
Obisi, the appeal is going to be difficult for us.
Who sent him to give us the appeal? Why is the appeal going to be difficult for us?
Learn Italian with rates.
Now Italian with rates, no. Why would it be difficult? Tiwa, why would it be difficult? Give us a reason. You're not coming up.
Tiwa, I'm quite sure.
It's not going to be difficult. What do you say? Because the people are talking. Social media will take them on. The judges will have to look. The judges cannot come to any other decision. Make it all.
Because the country is tense.
It's the judgment before them. Maame judgment not there to one. And who wants a man kasa? I'm telling you. So they cannot make any other decision but to give us the right decision. If they do anything else, there's an issue with it.
Now, so my right decision or program must be between the Supreme Court.
I'm trying on check. When they, you know what they're telling for
that?
Don't forget, say at the end of the day, no, the biggest mistake they made was to counterclaim, say, Maame Akosua no,
on your wife,
ye jano. The court will ask them to produce a divorce
certificate.
But then you see, where they have an issue is that they are trying to make it a customary marriage.
How?
Customary marriage for what? They didn't come to you for that. They came to you for ordinance marriage. If you don't have anything to say about it, now dismiss them on the ground, say almost unsatisfied, and because of that, you're throwing the case out. Then they'll go and appeal again. No more now they'll go and make another case. But for you to bring it down to
I saw sister familiar book. Me who be a paper name. But who say some more can they are using the chandelier no. Say I no worry brony na me ba broche na me worry brony a ka me fa bibini kra din so me din so da.
That's why you change of name into no and found.
Yes, almost side no born to the stand say minima de crop.
Almost FYP baby almost say Maame Akosua passport no de call court no. Ni trinwi gu ne kon hu teacher so she wig into a fake picture in to shame no why. Because passport picture be anyway nwi kata waso ntie
enye Jimmy anyway Jimmy enye Jimmy no Jimmy I was say wo ware na onguve ekwasia obi Jimmy costume kra ekoware
ni papa kasa asem so Ghana
Oni so Ghana frampo anya omo na Ghana na nze omo ye red carpet and then
my point is I saw between jeans ni sneakers ekojina baby omo so omo aware na ya aware so am
na me ka tell us omo se de da omo nantem no be use nya de da omo so minu no you know they got two legs and they got something in between that works for them more than asum minu na nyanse bi animu no ona pa che
mami no ba mami ni de em se no omo bu ni se chese oye bibi I don't know oba
Ghana so calm omo nim se odonti
What what's your butcher? Your wife say Ghana need be per wasem omutan yankasa.
Sister, I love you for that. What you at a BBB on it, my dear girl? You that no miss cancer.
Me say Ghana for no pabroche for nasem and ka wa wasi wudan ya wakwa Ghana no. What now about 3 days? No more be sister da be na abeko.
Da be na okọ. Some me catch them WhatsApp platform here, TV platform. TV me cancer ask me that say Ghana for. What do you have the first few week no? Hey, da be na buy. Oh, fine. Within 2 weeks, no more started. Into the ben na oko. I then when I try to take it to mommy. Me my baby, my baby buso bibi. Me pe bibi a dia film some. Wo kromo. You're not even made to feel welcome.
And a Ghana so mra obitina with them 12 years. It's me any there.
Yep.
And kwasi amra nkwa no mo hye when you na Ghana
Property what's the name for
They
it,
have,
Tash?
they,
Oh, what's the name for that law?
it's whatever. I'm coming to you. I'm not familiar with what they call it, but
Eviction.
Ghana for
in property law, possession
Law.
possession is 9/10 of the law. You know, when it comes to property law, that
Yeah.
at the end of crown.
that's
what they are. I think Babaya Jamal and Co. They must be property. They must do a lot of property cases because they are trying to use that same law on Oprega and said the woman stayed there longer than the fan was saying.
Na me pa che wo de ati o wo de me minim law mo nipa no the document e pie by say we single we tenant.
Oh yeah,
na be no be your wife.
You see, and that is the contradiction inside Justice Dorinda's case. What I say, they used and made references to all these things in the letter of 2018. At the same time, you create witness not by and not by Tron for Pregano said that person was the most credible.
He spoke
Who
well.
said she was born she was married in 2010, and they were making assumptions about a letter in 2018 that Obasa was Bejawari in 2018. At the same time, the claim is that she's not a wife at all. But inside that letter,
2018 no ba so be divorce no. And your man no requesting any the man no.
And she was asking as in the position of a married woman, married by ordinance.
I'm say nipa no de ba bonti no wa bunti wan taking the time.
My fiasco.
That letter na be your downfall.
But that letter technically should not even have been admitted in court. It has written on top of it without prejudice. It means you cannot rely on this letter in any guise or form, in any form, whether in court or in a statutory situation, any public situation. You do not quote from it. You cannot use anything in there. But what Gina so can say Yajana warrior in 2018 bas per letter.
Okay.
I don't want to go bold.
Yanka sister Akosua ko ne LUMBA ho. But obi enim so ware no. The one na ye no or the kokko so o gina ade no so betima aka so fama no.
How?
Of course, Obeje. Yeah, the man is 70. Look, hey. Half the property belongs to her. The remainder will be shared between her and the children alive. In Kuala, no, that's why I don't understand. You see, I don't understand where Oprega is coming from. The name Priscilla doesn't even suit her, so I will always call her Oprega.
When you say Onyan Krana site against Onyan Krana against Omo Maame a, and no betimi affect judgment. Those days are gone.
Sister Akosua kwa wale na nkwala ne gina hefa.
And they are products of the EU to
those days are gone.
No, the letter that she's referring to, no, it gave her so much room to operate.
Yeah, me sorry, me ba beto Oprega one would not so frank nkwala ne bium. Dem de be ye no.
No ma fati so one fati ne she nkwala ne she Oprega chi.
I'm telling you, wasn't making
nkwala ne say Omo Maame na eyi omo Maame enjaye omo nya ejapado
Yala has no business contacting those children.
Fati Yala or contact you omo say omo Maame enjaye
first letter no mo trust say man kwala no enye the children don't want to have anything to do with the ongoing.
Me sometimes I blame those legal wife for now. Omo say omo ti Germany no share abroche for nkwala kasa. Akola na swording sister baby a sister ti enti munye obi nchichale ne ntina ho no mo na mo nka what is going on bibia nchira akola because akola no one
wa abroche fon kola omo nim se nipa timi da nipa because of ejapadi o Omo nim saa niema no.
No,
was
no,
said
no,
over
no, no, wait a
Sri
minute.
Yeah,
I think
may.
Mama didn't involve the children because the influences on them as they were in Brucheno, they would never have wanted to see their father's face again. What you
Ono
saying?
na ma omo pe and it's the
You
right
have
thing
to
she did.
protect them, and there's nothing wrong with what she did because let me tell you the truth. Monkai Bibiu, I'm not wishing bad luck on these beautiful children. None of them is married. None of them
Yeah.
have a family. They
Yeah.
don't know the nuances of marriage or even
Yeah.
relationship deeply in the nap time about commitment. What you
Yeah.
say?
Yeah.
If they did, they would probably understand. If it's true that they don't understand their parents, because that then Kwekupong Penino and you know Netia Calvin Lines to say, hey, what are you doing talking to a pregnant? Listen to your mother. What you say?
Yeah.
Why? I don't know if he is married. I don't think so. But
But no,
it,
it's not Ghana. I say ginger farm no crap. Apparently, on a shea
Erane,
ginger farm ne so
yo,
Erane.
yo. So he's got that, or Tiasia more. No, no.
Yeah.
The other ones, no, they are and rats and an answer story now. Me tell, now me say, hey, bushia penny, sounds on work no, bushia penny, the second husband, bushia penny, on him answer.
Wig, mammy, away.
Yes, sir, and then about deal with her. Yes, sir, no, quite sorry, no. Was a white, no, I said wedge. Now me say, hey, some so walk in and pabwa namano. Oh, papa, if you now said the call, what down
Aye.
for hey, you know. Uncle for him and pabwa kora, but I'm a girl, Lydia. I have to find it. The one more message, they don't even understand designer. They don't even know what designer is. Whether F, one and pajano. We are dear, but I'm say, hey. Samson wako yin and pabwa nacha buchapenny. Hey, Samson wawana, wako white wedge naman. Yes, I said wedges to sorry them. Okay.
Hey.
And Kwale, if they had been told about the difficulties their mother actually went through, there's no way they would have spoken to their father. And you see, in a way, so it's cool. It's really, really cool. Those stupid people standing there and saying, say, and Uncle Crampono, on Papa ho. We know for a fact, Saint Kwalano only started visiting about 3 years ago. Eh? Now, 3 years, 4 years ago takes us back to post COVID. Maame Akosua challenged Lumba in 2018. There was an impasse and there was conversation in between Lumba and Pachel. COVID came in. For almost 2 years, the world was at a standstill. And if after that, no Kwalana started, then the Lumba was assessed with the only baby, the Obusa, and my mission Kwalana Mao, Metria away, me, Yaya. Now Kwalana Pumomo, Yamomo Besrame, and the children started coming out. Again, one wonderment in the world. They hadn't seen their dad for a long time. They were used to visiting with their mother, and then the father coming over for 6 months, 6 months until Papa no, and then the man in term, basano. There's so much that they've revealed by giving us that letter.
Lumba cranny, you move my hon, yes, or Momo Seko people.
Eh,
And don't
change in
forget
America,
the onse enkwalano.
Oprega first born on Yaneba. Boy, no, Yane Papa ne Lumba. I'm
Onse no
telling you.
ne
Girl back on so sa. Won't be no mutum to say me. Wow. Oprega ne ho jeje na Lumba so ko kakra. I say Mila de
o
no.
se Charlene mu ne ayi mu nyina omo jijim kakra o ne Calvin mu. Omo jijim
Wow.
kakra.
Lumba ko body mu cause Akosua Serwaa is chocolate. One apart channel.
Yeah.
She's the kind of caramel chocolate woman. But
Yeah.
papa ne jeje nti ne ma no ho ejeje kakra. What you say? Ne moja no aye man lighter.
Na unhwe omo Akosua Serwaa ma ne de omo so papa dudu omo mumma.
Ah, this is what you call love child. What you say? They were
Charlene no kra
created in
de
love.
jajaja ase ne papa replica.
Why no?
De o che mfimfin no. No
Ono so
ama
no
me
anya
no.
no. One say no no.
Ah yes nya
Charlie.
wonye. Ayade to Charles.
She's a
Baby,
Charlie.
Lumba, not the mammy, a fair cocoa.
No, I
Now,
don't
Lumba,
want
no,
so.
what did you use
Ah,
no you see, and to be one what I need.
would dear somebody didn't 100 years Rebecca.
Eno na man ni looking very sick no but no nyari bi e wan wan. Asra no jai na essay in the color no.
Sa
No
na
makes it.
abusuapanyin onso sra wasra ma
Omo
night
do mo pay use o mo pay use.
night witch say na moto emu na ase. Oh, night witch. Tiwa night witch ne kweku Christo denyom no epie ana. Dabe na epie.
Enya mayo.
E was epie anyom no de jai.
Good morning.
Good morning. Vital Vites ana. Wo
Mesra mo na asa kasa
virtuous.
bi ha madwo ne se omu ye abusuapanyin na sa abusuapanyin na ade na oye no manya abusua no omu ntumi fi ade so na sante amamra no ntumi nyesa.
Na papa na your friend meeting ground ko. Or set mesa yen said you betu na into no on sia won. So don't worry. I think they've said that there's something in the pipeline to do it. You know, so Omabushi some I doubt they are why they account on there no be small. You know, got your case.
Me de minim asante amamra ne sa because me yanzu mani ntina me bisa sa no.
Sa me
Se
say lumba
Yeah,
we.
as
Expose
I
amamere
remember.
bia o. Lumba we expose amamere bia o.
na me pacho ohimba media no. Me se mo
Oh,
nti obi awo ne ba abasa se so. Na se mutumi eye ne masa omo hwai ono ohimba media no oni ba ne bi.
There be
Yese ewiase no woto bo aboban a saba wawo ohimba media obi ba a wawo no abrochira ha enye izi abrochira enye izi
ti
osori
wa na
ahomaten
na
na
downfall, ti
obi
wa
mirika
downfall.
Mr. Jano,
eko
Natiwa
kindergarten
Bayanana. Munjano, Natiwa be dealing
eko
with them very
kindergarten
soon.
who ye say na se sebi mutumi polluting kon ana dream say ya ohwe ni yo na nkola no wawo bi nkola
Oh,
no wawo
remember
bi
media, no, he has his
ti
hand
ye
on
no
his own self-destruct
asa
button.
yeda nyame so mama no mama
Hey, Dorcas,
yes
what's
na
his
yet
name?
mo
Oh, remember,
mo so it
Opega inject whitening syrup into
nipa bi
lumba. What
bebre
is
wo
whitening
nim say
syrup? The water also the whitening syrup. I don't know the way. Virtuous, did you hear the do? Virtuous. Okay. I didn't need whitening syrup. Obviously, Obia, aye,
Lumba
or
o collagen na ka nya sa. Lumba na osra tura o ene rasta.
hey.
Omo ni muntia.
those days they say no mixed race have cars.
Me
And then
said
the kills.
those days no. Then the way she me pa because that time yeah Jerry Kells on. Now Jerry Kells obey ye wo gen me when ye me she say no boy ya be ma hwe Jerry Kells say yesu. Na me say papa je Jerry Kells say full. It
None
na
the twingy
ma
texture.
frɛ aha man me rinsa o me
But
na
when
wo
you
go
say
ebu Germany na me
say
make us omo to bibi omo to omo Jerry Kells dem brem
asem da o.
na me nso me pɛ na asɛm na ne ho yɛ machine me pɛ
Ni
ne
ni
nnwom
pa na
o
pe na say na ne champion.
ɔno ɔyɛ
And the next
fake
champion when you fine oh. When you fe.
Be ono so kwa Lumba ye na o ko yen kra me na ya aka.
oh
Oh,
there
when
be say
it
obi
on the
abɛka asɛm
yes
a
of
ɛtache me heart pa o obi ɔkɔ ayie ne bi ɔyɛ journalist so den ɔsɛ ɔbɛgyina ɔmo nkyɛn na ɔka sɛ nti me nua kwedo foso yie na ɔmo yɛ no tantantan si ɔsɛ ihu ɔgyina hɔ din ɔsɛ ɔgyina hɔ a
Pa
ɛyie
ko
no
fa
se
ba
o
bi ti
bɛn
say
dɛ
wo prega. Oba de sinkra wo fra na mini. So
nyɛ hɛ
obe ko hwe wo ba
sansewa
enti pa ene
wasan te sɛ
now
ene
network
na
say
kura
na
sɛ
nya
obi
mo
agye
fede a ene
now
me mo
when
be
they
calculate
did
na
do
skill.
it, say Mrs. Muty one.
mrs mrs onim sɛ yɛafa no
Ghana for nka no kuro hwe me call Ghana no wo ho. I saw some of our celebrities no wo ho. Me hwe wo mo sa na me see yi. Filter ne de aye adwuma o. Filter aye adwuma papa. Sister who obi nsa chi pa se operega ena ne kala na nasefo atwea.
oh there be filter ne yɛ adwuma me ho
Okay.
nhu dɛ Almost say it is a body atoton, one year ton body atoton, black and orange brown. Not
Oh, son, and I champ or better you must say. I could see as I was say, now on my style view. Oh, yeah, I pray to you. Away in a
on your kind, okay, mama.
I could see as I was say. Now, Lumba better born in your mama could see as a wedding. Then you mean 90% I could see as
Something I want him say Ghana for no level now. Omo person dealing in no. I to say their levels no. Edwane eja nkrofo behind. And then ube nwa obi abeye engagement and now within a birthday say pre-birthday shoot no akoboka. Okofem sika no de akoye bi. Obi a person say Bastia. Okwa years no bre ontumi home. No jina. No, but for real, you know what I'm saying? They're trying to just
shoot. No, Marco 90.
Now, hey, ever since I had the emotion in TV to sleep, no. Bonnet, see, bass, no. I dare meet me, I said,
yeah, me time. Yeah, me time.
Up to today, me time. Now, one will say, Debbie, na me who Frida. Then beside me, won't say. The mama we only atare o be house morning gown house coat to sa ade oton. You know, we don't even have any decorum anymore. What I say? Everybody just gets up and trend to be a normal follow. Hey, and can't pray man for a pray man near
first Facebook obetina see who come.
Hey,
but TikTok will be done pass okra no your life.
All your life.
But say on a more serious note, 10 year 4. Mummy and you should be you. Akosua Serwaa ne Hon Broni see me. Just I've lucky the whole world do. Baby Ghana for will be a luck you.
No one say
Just a dear no more bay should be chat and almost for say a bay I bebre.
Well, my dear, me say, my fino me ye go. Me mano, ni na be catch it all. I'm not going to stop talking. The man is say every day. Me catch them on born 3 judges na be kasano. Because I want peace in Ghana. You know, I want that time when me so met me ako Ghana ko jimeni.
They say almost Ghana almost be them UK for ne ko a UK embassy that be Tuesday.
And a Ghana the date me. See what we are to but a date me.
It's UK embassy Hon said about Omo kwa about Akosua Serwaa asem.
Yes, Akosua Serwaa de no omo ye ochina Tuesday.
Tuesday and ochina ochina Tuesday. Hey. Oprega o show up na we de wanu ne ho. Me sure pa so.
We bu no pa o. Ma me ne understanding e we chire kakra. What I say? She doesn't really appreciate what she's doing. If she claims that oh yeah mana, I will beg to differ kakra because oh yeah mana, you would not expose the children to future distress. Say what I say? Hey, the internet doesn't forget to. All these stories will be out there. And I said this story is not finished yet.
Grandma say, oh, Oprega, we go history book. History book.
Okay.
Make sure idea me about asem na ekoni na no. The way Akosua wado for no. So get in am kro betima tamade de abono.
I'm telling you.
They say yes so changing the bus school. I mean, yes say neighborhood crowd ntimi mpie. Osro.
Waje the whole road aboso. I saw the police for the go.
Oh me pa cho wo boy ebi ni ho.
Ebi ni ho.
Mrs. at opposite. The BR video obi eni ha. Obi eni.
Iti papa no
e ya bi no mo ho na list ni pie ba ye no no mo afiri ho mo hu se sika bi eni ho ti. Ehun ya so meji.
Na sense sika no be short.
Time na eye no say ye team legal wife no. We are so powerful say ban crowd.
This is
They are so powerful, pa. Mr. Kramati Party, legal wife, a Congress party.
They say, yes, sir.
Because face JM ne Baumia.
Hey, Obenya fans too much. I'm telling you. Mrs. Mudi Chia,
Na
Sam, you
munti
bet me
asresem.
papa.
Munti asresem. Se obi ya interview obi na ebusa ne team legal wife. So hey, Mr. O Samano, Mr. O me pacho.
So when him say, Mamma, when him say, Uncrofor with Team Eldo Broni phone, Omoba, Omoya sister Akosua cry and co. But yeah, what can I dare bet no more de Antonio?
Aye, aye.
Me,
Good morning.
my main kind of problem is a ma,
Morning.
Masam
a ma,
sewa
yes.
bacha mecha me from life is that the first time I'm there for life is
Okay.
me
You are
pamacho
welcome.
my dream chile kakra bi am person me de ba ma sewa issue he say your foreign minister or Germany your fan say yeah me can do see and then more Germany no some sewa a certificate in the fan some before say ko Ghana more authenticity more verify say you are okay before say ko Ghana.
And then
Enti oku enti okwajolo your
so
foreign
the
minister wa Ghana no o see you pull o mu no picture e de ba bonten na
No,
omo
let me
mekere say
correct you on that.
papa na say
But
nye
I'm
papa
correct you on one thing. When Ma Akosua Emma Omuche as say, Kusikati Ma Akosua say they need to have it verified at the Ghana High Commission. No. Ma Akosua Koye no. They kept running rings around there the same day. Nessa actually be catch and say, aha, ne yenye ne sa o. We didn't know that they had the right to do that.
About
so I
Mama,
know say
One explaining chill. One explaining chill.
Mama. Was almost I was satisfied with Germany,
Mm-hmm.
yeah
but Dorinda herself knew that they don't do that in Germany.
mhm
Ghana Foreign Affairs,
yeah
and now what the ma na almost satisfied na almost the ama Ghana embassy na almost deliver
To the
our
court.
court.
yeah
Yeah, I believe that by now, no,
I
side
beg
I
you.
go to because time na
Mhm.
I say one go through Ghana no. Na okuteto ablakwa to so so papa shi obugwa
yeah
president.
I that means a question they know say they original and to see pull o mu no
But
picture be to bonten
it's
no mo be chire
alleged.
chire
TMA it's alleged say Woma ye the ama Ghana embassy say fan come court.
Okay,
Enti
so my idea come Ghana Mezi some for come court wa. Ghana Mezi no on fa letter meto abonten say ade e original because mo na mo ti Germany ho. Mun ya rare say bibia koso
no
bia
media
e
wouldn't know
original.
what we
No no, any o say do picture beto abonten no mo
The most
ye bo mu ja.
foolish and the most stupid boat shafts in Europe, Germany, Spain.
O say
Remember
bo
our
mu ja.
appointment na Ghana holiday. Na me menya beba almost butu
O
sambe.
say bo mu ja, o say the of kuja to block picture beto one your foreign minister no wo no. E picture beto ni bo mu ja because they know the right. Also, you be kind of call him the letter, but to say at the
And
end
yes,
a
last
original.
minute on bet me disappoint here.
Yes,
There
I
be
was say
o.
don't pitch a better
There be
because
o. Hold on. Yeah, Mrs. I will call into a fight and make sure say we ammunition now. You got it right way. What you are saying?
Yeah.
Now, see we are breaking it down to them. No. Earlier on, I make us no make us now. Procedure no maame no what be ne ho in different ways. Procedure ne back was that they bring someone from the sovereign state to come and testify. Say this is the truth. The other one was the
amama ni pakra
documentation.
anye.
Mhm.
The other one was the documentation. Ah, you fast so. Lawyer could see Emma Ma call a embassy no Ghana High Commissioner what
German Berlin. Yeah.
Berlin no. The person there did not seem to know say, how they went about this thing. Emma Boamanamanie. Lawyer Kusi had to go to the High Commission, the German High Commission here in Ghana. Emma Montreal letter to that effect. Then they exposed to him, say, it was said, or the commendation from the Ghana High Commission and Kasa. And I always this issue, no, after the judgment came round, no, there were two things outstanding. So document, and a lawyer Kusi and Kasa, no. Any Maame judge no altercation no munya about bringing the sovereign person no. But sovereign person no Maame can say there's no way they can get someone to come all the way. But a bit no work post. Now you to me a man for number. But anyway that can be looked up over. But instead no ko you sue sa no can say she can look it over no against lawyer Kusi. But at the time now you call for judgment no not sa commendation no from Ghana High Commission no. From through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, no, Mofano had not been, they hadn't finalized it. But lawyer Ekachiron said was started process, no, but Mbedu before the judgment. Say I was a Yafa Okudzeko, Mr. Freckles, Mbeto Suno. In what capacity? Me the never to somebody say I didn't know. Anyway, I don't know, and that change.
The question is a
High
problem with
Commissioner.
problem when you public interest.
But public interest, no evidence is the okay. Samson, go ahead. Go on. Boys, I am muffled. You enter the outcome.
There could be a Ghana foreign affairs in it.
Omoye. Oye.
Where do I?
Oye.
What's the
Oye.
Because Germany for
man, say the outcome. I know you are muffled.
Germany for no chocolate. I can't say they know say almost certificate. But my man is signature so. Enter your almost certificate no. Not authenticate. Mama man. A letter like that.
Germany for the trauma foreign affairs of
Foreign affairs, yeah.
So, a dear Ghana for almost your letter and buy you, or man true, then as I say, Britain for starting a regency marriage certificate. No, a foreign affairs is almost who you.
And I know we're Venezuela for the end of Coca.
Aha, and so Sankayabo be about immediately. A baby a drew not Ghana for you here foreign affairs, Emerano, and ye do. I just say your compare Bosia, the idea Dominica, your compare Bosia by Bechedi.
Yeah, because I didn't also to me, Juma.
Hello, Obatiwa.
No more questions.
Oh, sorry. When you're sorry,
because I didn't know say to me, Juma. Abaya, you could know, he, and you know, Kujato, I saw that didn't ever heard you come Akolano. I was so there on Moko, a chronoswap investigation.
Yes, said by now, or my.
No, my house, some of the top point will be on, or some of the
appeal no. Appeal no, my
appeal no air train. I was a train appeal court. No,
Mame, Ghana or ye try appeal, no fire.
Now, what the country one? Are we judging her in the court of public opinion or in the court?
No.
What I say, a court of public opinion, and they see on the 9th of January, no one is endorsed. What I say, that woman has the public, empathy. Obi dignity. Obi of rightful thinking, dignity. But she's chosen to go through the law, to follow law.
Yes, at the creator before, so on say German for a judge in the case, on say, where did be normal man, lawyer could even still went ahead, actual letter any comma or
yes,
or ma'am, and also it's on record, so truck or yes,
exactly,
and go for see or take judge in the kind of die, no. He still went ahead and
he wrote, and they still invited them.
Yes,
and say the procedure
and as foreign affairs, you know. Sa lawyer kusi small lawyer no bet also bet na YouTube or
You think
say
you know?
o sa send email efre o mo e ma lady no one embassy ho wo Germany ho no e pick call no catch o mo say wa send the document to the appropriate place at yes adwuma no but am I enti yam try say e bi at this time ya ba
Minimum say
yes
aba.
yeah try
That
no
because it's been unless some people keep saying say they can't add anything else. Don't worry, they can because in this case it's
no you
missing
can't say
in the
only you
proceedings.
lawyer kusi e the paper to so de no o di an
Say
nsan ka
all
bia
things
no
are there
o
when
trot
and I'm not saying
yes
yes, you obey your decision accordingly. What you are
yes
saying?
yes and even picture no kra no judge ne ka say send ka e video a ke beboa and se see a video na ba asiti say na video no kwa maame no wo hwe 21 years ago no worry ordinance marriage no hwe video no ohu and wo or the still spoil it's automatic no e admissible
The be
because all the
okay, ya
pictures
ba
by
ya de no na
yes
ehia no. Ma judge no ya ba ya de no na ehia no. Oh,
Okay, me pomocho me si phone na ma dwen chere kakra binti.
Enti Nash, enti touch. Who feel say video ni admissible?
it is because it was referred to. But my
oh
point
yeah
is,
video no
let this
admissible
lady
because
talk.
judge no
There's a
trust
lady who
say
wants to
ka
talk.
nanka e video nanka e video or Troy say pictures no
Eh?
the by
She
e
mentioned it.
video
So now we are telling you
yes
that at the time we couldn't get it together. We've got it now.
yes
Here we
yes
are.
yeah
What you are saying?
yeah or Troy
The woman has hit on the point of the judge I'm talking about credibility. What you are saying and
Yeah.
evidence. And
Yeah.
if she's accepting videos or stills of Nana Akufo-Addo meeting Lumba and wife, and then Dampare meeting Lumba and wife, and also going to accept an AI picture, accept that, and then choose not to believe, say, what Mama was signing in that picture, what the wedding day no was actually a wedding picture. No,
no
Hello, Mama
touch
Samson,
contradiction
touch
ne
of
Mama
itself.
Tiwa. Pacho mote
we
manka.
there eku make a sana message me
But
ba
I'll
me
be
the two
back
mo
first.
but
No,
I
no,
say unka AI pictures na sem no even AI picture no kwa judge no on the onhwe 2010 na omo use picture no that time na girl no na this ni picture no that time picture na this time picture just say this whole judgment made no sense seriously you forget to say picture na AI no 2010 to 2025 yeah dey asim one so say in wedding pictures and girl no look the same thing in the picture in 2010 no same as we look now like
Mama Samson, ne Mama Tiwa. Me pa
no,
ucho na me pese me ka asembi. Mama Samson
Kasa,
wa. Me
Kasa.
pa ucho na Mama Tiwa kase Ghana Foreign Affairs na ese omo ye document no. Me pa ucho from where I work from no. Ese document no Ghana Foreign Affairs omo ntimi certify any foreign document.
Thank you.
Inti the thing is that ese mama oye wo Germany. Na odiaba odiaba Ghana German embassy wo Ghana into odeba ho a na omo de omo stamp si what said the Ghana ni ku school wa abrochira eso ye or certified document ni na wo Ghana and so they akwa abrochiri no. That is how it is done. Ghana,
Which is what they do. They certify it. The Ghana High Commission there will have to certify that.
but Ghana Foreign Affairs can't certify any foreign document. That is not their
That's not what
duty.
we are asking them to do.
So after Maame Akosua has done everything there, then Omudeba Ghana, it is the duty of the court to take it there. Say, yeah, they famous so be the document we have Ghana. Mufan kwahwe say eye nokra. But they can't certify German documents in Ghana. It is not done. It is not
this
done
is
I
anywhere.
think you're getting it. I
a
get where you're coming
German
from. Very true. Because why else would that? How can you come and certify a sovereign state's document in your country? How do you know?
Exactly.
But
You can't do that.
the point here is this: Ghana High Commission can also not certify a marriage certificate from the German embassy,
Exactly.
from the German
But what they
state.
do
What they
is
are
that,
saying.
yes, but what they do is that, Odiaba Ghana, no, any court nebeti media comma, yes, where the documents we have, ye, chrome ha, Ghana High Commission, a muduti, Munshams, Monamu, Germany, or Munshams, a yampa.
so no so
But
na
the
court na
procedure
anya
what I
court na
checked
did nothing
online, what I checked online is that why your certification no, or what your document no, I say what they back Ghana no, you may go to the Ghana High Commission to say, listen, I have this document. I need to send it to Ghana. I need you people to say, I have authenticated this document in Berlin here.
No, no.
No. To
My
say,
dear,
you have verified. We verified. So
T.
if they do not verify it now, why anybody Ghana?
No. From where I work from, I can't say it because I'm not supposed to say it. But it is not done. I wanted to call Mama Samson one back door, but
I have a document in England. It says in England, right?
Ma,
I want to
me.
use it in Ghana.
Mpachoti. Uwa me wa Ghana sesiano. Se me wa Ghana na me pese me go school or Germany. Me kuta University of Ghana certificate. What I do is that I go to the judicial service. No mo de omusi na boso. Na me de about foreign affairs. Then they put a letter on it authenticating say ayampa documents we every University of Ghana. Then I take it to wherever I want to take it. Say the German embassy. Foreign affairs are here. Then the German embassy will take it to their country. Now, into me to call Germany, document now. Then I go to the Ghana embassy in Germany. No, most of the stamp persist to say, I'm part documents with Ghana.
Okay.
I can't go to the German embassy there.
Doesn't play any role in certificate.
No, not that. They do, but not on foreign documents. They can't authenticate any foreign documents.
This is a case where the foreign government, expects as a Maame Akosua, right?
Mm-hmm.
The Ghana government expects Maame Akosua to have her documents authenticated as truthful.
Yes.
And a fact.
Yes.
So what is he supposed to do with that document? You talk through your system that you're talking.
So right now, Maame Akosua yene party nina or the Abra court. No, it is now the duty of the court to find out if it is original. That is when the foreign affairs can come in. But foreign affairs into mean by authenticating Maame Akosua documents.
And that is what lawyer Kusi raised from that
didn't do their due diligence.
They refused to do it. Mamine can say Obama ne court na ye. And she even forced lawyer Kusi to give the document to the court for no.
I think
interpretation and everything no.
My mother's
one make any decision on it. She didn't take a decision on it and decided she didn't believe that the evidential law had been satisfied.
My mother's, I pray that maybe you'd take your time and anybody who has the lawyer's contact should get it, talk to him and verify that information. Because from where I stand from...
Meba. Wouldn't dentia. The BI see America name, why China airport. What I mean is simple, it's because of their cyber system. So if somebody's getting to their cyber system, them and will not allow for Ghana for any authenticating or more at the other. Ghana want data. It's more than people don't have data. You are still in analog. You are still in analog. So why do you tell me, say your friend is saying or a German for character as a crazy for your character no? The road good and a good ankasa and the outside line you know. No one saw about it's almost crazy character no. Swiss in the name the Swiss in the authenticated Ghana there because Ghana not any
Swiss can't certify any Ghana document. No.
But on your office,
before you do it, as a citizen, so what certificate be a Ghana dear person. You have to go to the Ghana embassy in Swiss.
No, Marco.
Yes, before you can use it in Swiss.
Maame Akosua went to the Ghana embassy in Berlin.
Is the certificate a Ghanaian certificate?
No, it was the German one. And
so you can't do that. No, so you can't do that.
You can't do that. What to me call a German for a when him says sir Boshaft no a Ghana Ghana. It's almost so no police to cry a Ghana and a war.
Exactly. The moment you enter, nobody can enter and arrest you. You're Ghanaian.
No, this is where I have a problem with it. In this case, exactly where did he go wrong? Because he also got a letter from the German High Commission who said, say, Omo check your records, nah. And by that letter, no, they can tell you for fact, say, Charles Kojo Fosu, and then Akosua Serwaa Fosu, no, Omo Awari no was existent.
That is where the
So
problem
I
is.
think that
You can't,
letter no
Mama.
should have been tendered in by the embassy itself to the court,
No,
not
Maybe
to
me
lawyer.
no,
kind of
no,
natural.
no,
That is
no.
whereby me Ghana ye me crew me brand a president. Me make say Ghana the judicial system is corrupt.
No,
Thank
before
you.
Mama, I think before Mama be submit ama German embassy wo Ghana no. Esa ode ko wo Germany. Emma mo ye process ni nyina before the beba Ghana German
Me
embassy wo
patcho
Ghana.
my dear. Say BBI okay. Why? BBI okay.
Because I don't want Mama to no. I want everything to
They
go
The
all
well.
can
problem
That's
is
Unless you have
and
contrary
the problem is
information,
that
say,
Ghana
yeah, okay,
me
yeah.
emra wo Ghana. But emra
But
ne che obi a wakọ wia ne akọkọ.
share touch.
yes,
Touch.
Abusha metimi abem kakra.
I'm privy to one or two, and I think this time around everything is on point.
I believe you. I'm on the
Yeah,
same page. That's what
She
I'm
said
saying to her. Say,
me
yeah.
ba
unless
cho
he has
metimi abem
contrary
kakra.
information, no.
What's it?
Unless he has contrary
Me ba cho
information,
metimi
as
abem
Yeah,
far as I
kakra.
and they
know,
all can. It's nothing contrary. So,
exactly. You know,
Me ba cho metimi
Mampa
abem.
mucho mo betimi
Josephine.
asimi.
thank you
Ai.
so much,
Oh
why,
well, we
Thank you
ma'am?
too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Onim. Oni mumi enhwa de me tena Ghana ye me process me mami ensa enkrata asem wo Ghana. Eji book wo ho ma wo mo. Enti de Ghana ka no mo ma me nye we.
Okay, so you better was say ewo ensem ni nyina ho. Now you know this team legal wise Odo Broniii issue. I know some both sides ni nyina no. Obia ewo omo a sabe omo the technical know-how, omo knowledge no. They plus though maybe they are not lawyers or they are not into law, but some of them omo kasa yimu no. You see say no, they get something in there. I bet me abuama assemblate me akoso. So we hope say going forward enema bet me akwe, but we only seek for justice. We only seek for peace. And without justice, there is no peace. It's here na yema justice and peace ni nyina enti enye adwuma organ hanum. But me one person so aka I feel like Benin so can bad.